name's Madison. My project is on are name brand batteries the best value? So my question was, do more expensive batteries last longer than cheaper ones, and which battery is the best value? My hypothesis was, since Duracell cost the most, it would last the longest and be the best value. So the first thing I needed to start my procedure was a standard way to run down each battery while timing it. My dad wired a small electric motor to the battery and timed how long it took to run each battery down. The first test took over 17 hours. We decided then to add 3 flashlight bulbs to the circuit to make it drain the battery faster, and we also added a battery-operated clock to time it for us.
Is it working, Lauren?
We reset the clock to 12 o'clock and started it running. When the battery was dead enough to no longer run this clock, motor and lights, I could then see the time on the clock to figure out how long it took. We then would do this for every battery. The types of batteries I had was Panasonic, Northtech, Philips, Fuji, Rayovac, Energizer, and Duracell. My results were Panasonic lasted an hour, Northtech lasted an hour 5, Philips lasted 51 minutes, and Fuji lasted 57 minutes, Rayovac lasted an hour and 6 minutes, Energizer lasted an hour and 8 minutes, and Duracell lasted an hour and 17 minutes. Here's some charts and some graphs to show you that this is how much it cost for only one battery in each package. Down here it shows you how many minutes it ran. On the conclusion, my hypothesis was right that Duracell lasted longest. However, part of my hypothesis was wrong about how it was the best value. That was wrong. The conclusion was, since Panasonic, Duracell lasted 17 minutes more than Panasonic did, and Panasonic was 60. So, in my opinion, I would think Panasonic would be the best value. Thank you.
Mrs. Maggie's class, are you ready? Yes! Stand by your projects. Make sure you're there standing. Tall and proud. Here comes visitors from Mrs.